Math 8, good to see you guys today. Today's lesson is going to be a little bit shorter, but it's very important. It's this important topic that hopefully we'll by now have hit on in our live Zoom class on Thursday. So this is Monday's topic, and Mrs. O'Brien said that this is a very important topic for the ninth grade. So it's called solving a system of equations. Okay, so systems of equations. And the big things to know here are the first thing you need to do on these is to rewrite each equation in slope-intercept form. So that's y equals mx plus b. Okay. The second thing you need to do is graph both lines. Or graph each line. And then the third thing you need to do is to find the intersection. And that's the solution. Okay. So it's going to make a lot more sense when I do it here. I'm going to go ahead and do one of them. I'm going to do number 2 because that one looks a little harder than number 1. And then you're going to do the rest of them for homework. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 for your work, not your homework, for your work. And I'm just going to show you how to do one of them. All right. So these are already in slope-intercept form because they're y equals mx plus b. Okay. In fact, all of them here on the first page look like they are. So we need to graph this line first. So it crosses at plus 8. Okay. And then the slope is a slope of 5 is the rise and 2 is the run. So every time we run 2, we're going to rise 5, which is hard to see going up that way. So let's do it in the opposite direction. If we were to go 2 over here, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we were to go 2 over here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we were to go 2 over, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and draw that. And if you just want to check, then find one of these dots and just go over 2, right? A run of 2, and then a rise of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see you did it correctly. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and draw that line. And then this line here, this one, the second line crosses at the -8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know there's a point there. Okay. And we might probably want to mark this first line. This one's y equals 5/2 x plus 8. Just mark what that line is. Okay, on this second line, we have a rise and a run of -1/6. Okay, so in this case, if we run 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going to drop 1. Okay, I like to put that negative with the top number. That helps me. Okay. And then if we run 6 this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was off by 1 there on the y-axis, so that's what I stopped there for a second. That threw me off. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will come down 1. Then if I go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go up 1. So the lines are going to cross right here at that one particular point. So this here is the intersection. Okay, this point here is the intersection of the two lines. So this line is y equals negative 1, 6x minus 8. So the solution to this system of equations, that's a good terminology. You're going to need to know that terminology. The solution, it says solve the system of equations by graphing. So the solution, or the solve, or the answer, but I like to call it the solution, is this point right here, because that's where the system that's where the two equations, or the system of equations, meets. So that's the answer. And that answer is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that solution is negative 6 to the left, right, and then down 7. So your solution is like a point. That's our solution. Okay. Now you're going to go do numbers 1, 3, and 4 on your own, just like we did number 2. Okay. So thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. This is Monday's lesson and Monday's practice. Thank you.